This 2026 Forest River Aurora 3/4 BHTS, 2 queen beds, is a travel trailer RV. It is located in San Marcos, California, 92069 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV San Marcos. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features Sleep 7, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.